Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will see how to block bots from Apache with WHM cPanel. Bots and crawlers index websites and assist with online tasks, but harmful bots can overload servers and disrupt performance. Controlling bot access is essential to prevent these issues. This video will walk you through the process of blocking unwanted bots using Apache with WHM cPanel. To begin, you need access to WHM panel with root privileges. Once login, go to the navigation menu on the left and click on Service Configuration. This section allows you to configure different services running on your server, including Apache. Click on Apache Configuration. This option will take you to the settings for the Apache web server, where you can make changes to how Apache handles requests. Click on Include Editor to make global configuration changes to Apache. This feature allows you to add custom configuration directives that apply server-wide. Navigate to Pre-Main Inclusion. In the Include Editor, go to the PRIA Main Include section. This area lets you add configuration settings that are applied before the main Apache configuration files are processed. From the drop-down menu, select All Versions to ensure your changes apply to all versions of Apache running on your server. In the Pre-Main Included section, you will see a text box where you can add your configuration directives. Enter the following code to block specific bots. Replace AccuWeb.Training.com with the path to your website directory. For cPanel servers, this is typically home. After entering the code, click the Update button to apply your changes. After then, click on the Restart Apache button to restart the Apache service. The code provided blocks specific bots based on their user agent strings. You can customize it to block additional bots by adding their user agent strings in the same format. Add this line before the Require All section to block the new bot user agent. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to block bots from Apache with WHM/cPanel. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.